Hey, hello guys, this is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 17 September 2021. Here this is the problem they have given, function get abbreviation. So in this function they have passed n space separated values or words. We just need to make the short form of abbreviation. Here in this case they have passed automatic teller machine. We just need to make it as a ATM. So what we have common here is, or what is the logic behind here is, we are just storing the first character for every input, no matter what. Here every first character is stored. After that we are storing the values or characters which comes after space. Here A is stored by default because it's a first character. So we just need to store all those characters which comes after space. So it will be T and M. So now we got ATM. Here laughing space after that O, here L, so it will be lol. F A B, sorry, L A B. So we got flap. So that's the logic behind it. So let's solve this in a programmatical way. Here they have given a problem in C. So we just need to make a function get abbreviation because they are taking care of all the input and output parts, and they have stored the character array which is the return of get abbreviation. So in this get abbreviation we just need to pass the or return the shorted form of abbreviation. So let's do that. Character array, let me name that as a ab, which is nothing but a short form of abbreviation. Abbreviation equal to malloc of size of character array into, I'm storing the total size of str. Here I have used the strlen. So for that I just need to import string.h, because this stringlen function is available in this header. So if I forget to include, it will throw me an error. But don't worry guys, the SKIDMARK by default importing or including all the packages because that's an online compiler. So now we have get with the input part. We just need to store the first character, right? Abbreviation of 0 is equal to str of 0, and this should be in uppercase. For that I'm using 2 upper. Sadly this 2 upper is available in C type, as include C type.h. If we are not ready to use this 2 upper, we just need to make a condition. If str of I is lies between smaller a and is greater than or equal to smaller a, and str of I is smaller than or equal to smaller is that, we just need to add 30 to it.
Moments later.
So that's a cringy thing, right? So to get rid of that we can use 2 upper function. Now it's time to check for the spaces. For that I am just going for a loop for int I equal to 0. Now we don't need to check 0. We can start from 1. I smaller than strlen of string and I plus plus. In this condition we just need to check if str of I minus 1 is equal to space and str of I is not equal to space. If that happens, why am I putting 2 if here? Is that means nested if? Yeah. If this condition pass, we just need to update the abbreviation of some custom iterator. Int abbreviation iterator is equal to 1. Here I plus plus. and in this index we just need to store the uppercase value of str of I, which is a non-space character. So finally we just need to return up. So if I save and run this, gcc main.c, we are not getting any compilation error. That's great. It's time to check for runtime errors. Laugh out
No, 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 no.
my and off. So now we got LOMAO. It's because LOMAO. So that's it. It's working fine. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for review. Hope you understand what you are doing here. So see you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.